Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you notice from the title, we're going to be doing a new YouTuber tag. And I'm a little overdue making this video because, you know, I've been on YouTube for a little bit of time, you know, about a couple of months. So if you haven't already, just go right down there and subscribe to my channel. If you know, there's going to be a little bell right around it, and you can get post notified every time I upload a video. So if you want to know a little bit more about me, let's get into this video. So I did a Q&A and whatever. I did a Q&A on IG. By the way, you can add my social media right here. I'm gonna put my IG, my Snap, and my Twitter, and you can add my social media. But I did a Q&A on IG, and a couple of people asked me some questions, so I'm just gonna answer them. So, what is your name and where you from? You can call me Emmy. That's what I go by. Now, I'm from New York, born and raised. What are you passionate about? I'm passionate about a lot of things. Honestly, like, I'm passionate about my work, my talent. Like, I love doing hair, makeup. I'm passionate about different topics that are like worth talking about, that like teach a lesson. So I'm passionate about stuff like that. I'm just passionate about a lot of things. Like, I'm really the jack of all trades. I'm a Gemini, so I get bored really fast. So I like to just dip and dab in different things. But my passion that I'm like 100% down in is beauty, makeup, that field basically. Like, I love doing hair and makeup, especially making wigs and all that. My favorite color, so I don't know, y'all take a guess. I'm gonna tell y'all my favorite color at the end. Y'all take a guess. Tell me down below which I think my favorite color is, because you know, a lot of people think that it's some other color, but it's really not. So my favorite artist, like, if you know me, you know that I love A Boogie, okay? Like, he's from the Bronx. Bronx stands up. So I love A Boogie, and I love Beyonce. Like, Beyonce, I've been a fan of Beyonce since Destiny's Child. So, like, can't nobody tell me nothing about Beyonce. Like, do you have any children? If so, how many? So I have 3 beautiful kids, and I'm not telling y'all their names. I'm sorry. That's for me to know, for y'all to probably never find out. I do keep our kids a little private because, you know, people are crazy and I'm not with it. So I don't really post my kids like that on social media. So if you don't see them, it's not because I don't love them, it's because I just don't post them. I'm private. What are your daily battles? Honestly, on a daily, I really battle with traveling in Midtown Manhattan. Like, I can't stand it. It's so many tourists out there that when you're walking, and when you're a New Yorker, you're gonna walk really fast. So there's so many tourists out there where it's just like walking past them, especially after 5 o'clock, rush hour, especially on a Friday. Like, I be tight. So that's my daily battles. I don't really have any other daily battles. Actually, yes, I do. I have a problem with I'm a procrastinator, like, to the max. It's a problem. I just don't procrastinate when there's money involved, but I procrastinate like a mother. Like, I don't know why. It's a bad habit that I'm trying to actually fix. I have intervals where I'll be good, then I go back to procrastinating, and it's like, sis, what are you doing? How tall are you? I'm 5'4". I'm short. I ain't that tall. Alright? So don't come for me. What's your favorite pastime memory? I miss being a kid. I miss being a little innocent kid that don't gotta do nothing but just run up and down the house, make noise, pretend I'm a lion, pretend the ground is lava. I had a wild imagination. Don't judge me. Yeah, being a kid again. Not paying bills. Not doing adult stuff. Not having to figure things out. Are you single? Who asked me this? No, I'm not single. I'm taken. Happily taken. Thank you. What's your deepest fear? Honestly, for a long time, my deepest fear was death. Like, I was afraid to die. Like, I don't want to die. I'm afraid to die. I don't know what it's like. Well, of course, I don't know what it's like. But I never wanted to face death or be around death. But ever since my grandmother passed, I honestly accept death more. Like, it was like, you know, when somebody's hurting or they're in pain and they finally go and they're not in pain anymore. It's like that. Like, you know, like a sense of relief that they're not in pain anymore, but you miss them, of course. It's like, I don't really study death anymore like that. It's like death is gonna come and come and come, like, it is what it is. So I don't know, like my deepest fear right now is failure. I can't fail. Like my favorite food, I love Italian food. Like my number one dream is to fly out to Italy and have Italian food, like authentic Italian food. Like that's one of my goals that I'm definitely going to complete. I want to go to Italy. There's a lot of places I want to go. I might as well tell you. I want to go to Italy. I want to go to Egypt. I want to go to Africa. I want to go to Thailand. I want to go to China. I want to go to France. I want to go to a lot of places. But I want to travel. I don't want to go to Miami. But I want to go to exotic places. Places that people don't talk about. Places that people really don't post about. Like doing daring stuff. Running through the jungle type stuff. Like I want to do stuff like that. I'm very different, I guess. I don't know. Maybe I'm weird. Why did I start a YouTube channel? Good question. Why did I? Nah, I had a YouTube channel back in the day. I don't remember what year it was. My daughter probably was like little. Did I have a child? I don't remember. Anyway, this is how long it's been. I had a YouTube channel, and I had that YouTube channel off the strength of like I was seeing Aaliyah Jay. Like this is when she was in her prime. So imagine when she first started doing YouTube, and like she had her small channel. She was a small YouTuber. I started my YouTube channel off the strength of her and another YouTuber, Mary Banks. I was watching her a lot. Tymetheinfamous. I was watching them. It's my Ray Ray. I'm gonna stop thinking about names because I'm gonna start going down memory lane and get stuck. So I was watching them, and like they inspired me to start my own channel, which I did. I don't remember the name of it. I remember the only video that I posted, I did an ombre lip, a blue ombre lip. I remember doing that. I highly doubt you'll see the video anywhere if you look it up because I deleted the channel. But I started this channel because I wanted to put myself out there. I was working at a job, and I was like, I felt so stagnant, and I ended up getting fired, you know, because sis was a hater. It's alright, but you know, God don't like ugly, so you know, karma came and bit me on the ass. But you know, let's not talk about that. But I got let go from that job, and like I was so happy. Nobody understands. Like, you know how people be like a little sad, like, what am I gonna do? Oh my God, how am I gonna make it? Like, I was thrilled. Okay, so I'm in cosmetology school, about to get my license, about to be done this summer. I'm about to drop my lash line this summer. I'm excited. Like, my lash line, it's gonna be lashes and custom made units. So look out for that. Finesse Me Co. That's dead coming and dropping. And I'm also doing my YouTube channel. So it's like all the things that I wanted to do, I didn't get to do because I was stuck in a job. So I'm not telling nobody to quit your job, but it gave me the opportunity to like really have the time and the energy to really do what I wanted to do what I like, do my passion. Like, I'm passionate in doing hair. I'm passionate in doing especially cuts and coloring. Like, that's what I'm going to finesse in, okay? You're going to see me doing cuts, coloring, a lot of stuff like that. And like, I'm excited. So it's like all the things that I said that I wanted to do when I was sitting behind that desk, I'm dead doing. Like, and it's about to be lit. So it doesn't even matter. Like, do you eat healthy? No, I don't eat healthy. I eat whatever I want, whatever I'm in the mood for. As you can tell, I do not eat healthy, but I am slimmed down. But I don't eat healthy, and I actually am trying to gain some weight. I'm about to start drinking amphetamine. I think I'm saying that right. And I'm about to gain some weight and get my life. What career path do you want to choose? Hair, beauty, makeup. That's what I want to do. Have you ever been in a fight? Listen, do I look like I've been in a fight? Have you ever cheated on anybody? Honestly, no, I do not cheat. If I don't want to be with you no more, peace, you're out, you gotta go. How many best friends do you have? I can count them on my hands. Okay, I have 3 best friends. How old are you? Y'all know everything, don't you? Like, y'all nosy. And honestly, like, a woman never reveals her age. I'm sorry, I'm grown. That's exactly how old I am. Do you rather long or short nails? Long, hello. Long nails all day, no short nails. I only wear short nails when I'm doing something cute and quick and press on. If they press on, they can be short. If they're gonna be bird talon, like let me scratch you type of nails, nail salon. by my bitch Candy. I'm gonna leave her shit down below. If you in New York, you in the Bronx, listen, if you in New York, period, come see sis, because sis finesses the nail. Do you eat sushi? No, I don't like sushi. My favorite color, right, is dead black. Alright, y'all, so I'm done with this video. That's a few things about me. If you got any other questions, you can just hit me up and just ask me. You feel me? You can just inbox me, ask me, and I'll let you know if it's appropriate. Before we leave out of here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because it's a little on this side and whatever. So I'm gonna check out my next video.